Hey there, all you handsome fellas looking to up your glow game. Welcome back to Pro Tips, your one-stop destination for everything about men's grooming, skincare, fashion, and more. And today, we're diving into the realm of enhancing your height. And no, we're not promising you'll be towering over NBA players, but we do have some intriguing insights to share. In a world where looking your best is essential, who wouldn't want that extra edge, right? And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be subscribing faster than you can say glow up. So let's jump right in. Gentlemen, we all know that confidence comes from standing tall, and whether you're still rocking your teenage years or you're a distinguished adult, who wouldn't want to add a couple of extra inches to their stature? Today, we're delving into the art of stretching your way to new heights, both literally and figuratively. But before we unravel these top-notch stretches, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel Pro Tips for more amazing content that's going to have you looking and feeling your best. All right, let's get stretching. First, ankle grab stretch. Picture this. You're standing strong, feet together, ready to take on the day. And guess what? We're kickstarting our stretching journey with the ankle grab stretch. It's as easy as it sounds, and it gives those calf muscles a wake-up call. So reach down, not like you're picking up your troubles, but your ankles. Hold that pose for 30 to 60 seconds, and you'll be flexing those muscles in style. Next, standing tall for spinal alignment. Now let's talk posture, because good posture is the real MVP. Imagine yourself growing taller with every vertebra stacking up. That's the magic of the standing tall stretch. Shoulders back, chin up, and arms reaching for the sky. And hey, give those calf muscles some love by rising on your toes. Hold it for the count, and you'll be commanding attention in no time. Next, shoulders back with the wall stretch. Who's ready to meet the wall in style? It's not a dance move, folks, it's the wall stretch. Engage those shoulders and let's improve that posture game. Hands flat against the wall, chest open, and shoulders aligned. You're a posture superhero in the making. Next, torso elongation with lats and obliques. Stretch time to get that torso elongated, because we're introducing the lats and oblique stretch. Legs pointed and facing forward, give those sides a lean, and feel the stretch that's going to make you stand out in any crowd. Swap sides and you're well on your way to reaching new heights. Next, back strength with stomach stretch. Lying down never felt so productive. Get ready for the stomach stretch. Lift that upper body, strengthen that back, and embrace that straight posture. Hold it, release, and get ready to conquer the world. Next, lower back release with cross-legged stretch. Cross your legs, release that lower back tension, and say hello to the cross-legged stretch. It's like a spa day for your spine. Relax, switch sides, and you're all set to stand tall and proud. Next, final flourish with jump rope for height. And now, the final flourish. Grab that jump rope because we're not just jumping into the air. We're jumping into our new heights. Jumping not only flexes those muscles, but stimulates growth by promoting perfect posture. A few minutes of this every day and you'll be leaping towards those extra inches. There you have it, gentlemen, your passport to vertical progress. These stretches are your secret weapon for standing taller, feeling confident, and taking charge of your glow-up journey. Remember, consistency is the name of the game. Incorporate these stretches into your daily routine, and you'll be embracing your new height with a grin from ear to ear. If you found these tips golden, don't forget to give us that thumbs up. And make sure to hit that subscribe button to join our Pro Tips family. Until next time, keep shining, keep stretching, and keep elevating your glow game. Signing off from Pro Tips. Thanks for watching, gentlemen. If you're hungry for more game-changing tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to Pro Tips. Stay dapper, stay suave,